Connor, we're rolling.
Yeah, settle.
Shall we begin? Yes, we shall.
I'm gonna look there, right?
Drawing has never been about drawing. Drawing is looking, and looking is loving.
Art is a universal language in that everyone is able to connect with it in some way.
It's not an artist's duty to judge or say if it's good or bad, right or wrong. It's just their duty to just be a vessel.
So if you're not putting anything out there, you're fulfilling your own prophecy of failure. Press the publish button and you're good.
Sometimes the fear is good, you know? Sometimes fear can save you from bad decisions.
Fear of the blank page is a real thing, but if you look at it this way, as soon as you make a mark on it, it's not blank anymore.
It is important to highlighting social causes in art. When
you don't have to be thin and blonde and blue-eyed in order to be worthy.
The role of a designer is to create better opportunities for us all.
Use your platforms to lift people and get these words out there.
And I think that moment we truly realize this is the moment that we become creative people.
That's innovation. That's how growth happens.
This is my life. Closing the scanner.
What are all of your excuses? And what are those excuses based upon? And then get rid of them.
Good things people remember, but the great things last forever.
Damn, our bodies are dope.
What's specific and unique about what you are sharing? Because if you're just bringing vanilla ice cream to the party, everybody's had vanilla ice cream.
I mean, my voice is unique because of my life, which is very unique, but so is everybody. Everybody has a unique voice. If you just sit there in front of your screen listening to me, this talk will have zero benefits for you.
The beautiful thing about art is the understanding that you are capable of your full capacity.
Share things about you and your life, and I guarantee you there are people out there who feel the same way and who could be thinking the same things.
You know, creating and then sharing, I think that there's a lot of magic in that.
Dude just said salmon and waffles, man. You want some fun? This nutty.
Art is necessary. It's for truth, it's for kindness, it's for goodness, it's for love. It keeps the world happy and good and healthy. It's what we need.
Once you figure out what that destination is, all the possibilities start to come about.
Quick, little edits in between cameras.
I guess the thing is we don't really know where ideas come from. It's a place you have to keep sacred and that you have to be devoted to.
You can only be creative if you get trust and freedom.
Your productivity is not your worth.
But something wonderful happened. I started to find my voice.
Why am I talking about this?
This process of creativity is just extraordinary. It's such a huge learning process, and I'm very, very grateful that that is my job.
You're able to truly see this unleashing of possibility and potential.
Yeah.
Sound good? Great.
Well, I nailed that one, didn't I? I hope that's recorded.
I hope also, if anyone has any pointers for me of how to improve this system, please be in touch.
Adobe. Hey everyone, it's been an amazing 56 hours. Whether you've spent a few hours with us or more than that, I hope you found some new techniques and inspiration along the way. I want to thank all of our evangelists and special guests for joining us, and I want to remind all of you to upgrade the latest apps, play with what's new, and let us know what you think. And finally, on this 56th hour of Max, I want to thank Conan O'Brien, who's been hanging around for most of it.
No, I've been here 56 hours. Why did I have to be here the whole time? I've watched every single moment.
You seemed engaged. I
had fun. I had a lot of fun. I had a good time, but I wish there was a bathroom here. There's no bathroom. And I'm starving. So what do you say we go get like 9 meals in a row? You want to do that?
Sounds great to me.
Yeah.
Stick around, everyone, for the Marshmallow exclusive performance. Stay safe, and thank you again for joining us.
Just bow. We bow, distanced, be responsible.
Like a phoenix.